Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Alia Nur Syafiqah binti Anwar. Today, I want to present to all of you about medicines. Everyone knows that medicine are used to help prevent the disease, but medicines also can be harmful to others. There are two types of medicines. The first one is traditional medicines and the second one is modern medicines. I am very sure there are some people that only know about modern medicines. How about traditional medicines? Traditional medicines are obtained from herbal plants and animals. So, how we prepare the traditional medicines by plants and animals? To all of you, traditional medicines are not chemically processed. We crushing the parts of the plants using the mortar and saw the limbs. Also, we can boil the plants to get the essence. The coordinates is example of traditional medicines. There are 4 examples of traditional medicines. The first one is ginger. How ginger can use for treatment? Ginger can remove the gas from the body and prevent the cold, also to help the warm the body. The second one is aloe vera. Aloe vera can treat the skin disease, also can treat the wounds. Third one is ginseng. Ginseng can use for build the immunity to against infection, also can treat the low blood pressure. The last one is tamarind. Tamarind can prepare by juice of the fruit to relieve cough, also for brighten the skin. So we go to the next is modern medicines. Modern medicines are produced by plants also, microorganisms and synthetic chemicals. They are formed by capsules, pills, liquids and powder. So there are 5 examples of modern medicines. The first one is analgesic, the second one is antimicrobials, the third one is psychotic drugs, the fourth is anti-allergies, and the last one is corticosteroids. So we go to the first one is analgesic. There are 3 examples of medicine in analgesics. The first one is aspirin, the second one is paracetamol, and the last one is codeine. How about the function of 3 medicines? Aspirin and paracetamol can use for relieve the pain. Codeine can alleviate the cough and treat the diarrhea. How about use and effect of 3 types of medicines in analgesics? So, for the use of aspirin and paracetamol and this codeine, so what about use and side effect of these 3 types of medicines? These all of 3 medicines should be taken accordingly to the doctor prescription. And aspirin is acidic, so it's not suitable for people that have a gastric. People in gastric that taken this aspirin can cause stomach ulcer, so it's not suitable for people in gastrics. Paracetamol must take in normal portion. If we take overdose, it can damage our livers. Also, codeine, if we take overdose, can also drowsiness. For the second is antimicrobials. There are 3 examples of antimicrobials. The first one is antibiotics, the second one is antiseptics, and the third one is disinfectants. So the example of antibiotics is penicillin and streptomycin. For the example of antiseptics is hydrogen peroxide, iodine, and boric acid. The last one is disinfectants. The example of disinfectants is alcohol and formaldehyde. So what's the function of this type of medicines? What the function of the 3 types of medicines? Antibiotics can kill bacterial growth. For antiseptics are applied externally on the skin. Disinfectants can destroy pathogens. How about use and side effect of antimicrobials? Antibiotics need to be fully consumed to kill the bacterial growth, and antiseptic are only to be applied externally and not to be digested. And also, the people that have allergies can be fatal if we use this type of medicines. So we go to the next is psychotic drug. There are 3 examples of psychotic drugs. The first one is 3 types example of psychotic drugs. The first one is haloperidol. The second one is chlorpromazine. The third one is clozapine. The function of all 3 these psychotic drugs is treatment for psychosis and symptom of mental illness. So, the use and side effect of psychotic drugs. This medicine of psychotic drugs must be taken by doctor prescription. And psychotic drugs can cause abnormally involuntary fashion and body movement. This medicine also can cause stiffness and shakes. The fourth one is anti-allergics. There are 1 example of anti-allergies that called antihistamines. So what the function of these medicines? The function is to relieve the runny nose and itchiness. If people take this medicine in high dosage, it can cause blurred vision, also can cause dry mouth. For the last one is corticosteroids. There are 2 types example of medicines. The first one is betamethasone, Valerian, and the second one is prednisolone. So the function of these 2 types of medicine is provide relief to the inflamed area, also reduce swelling, redness, itchiness, allergic reactions, asthma, and arthritis. How about use and side effect of these 2 types of medicines? It can be long-term intake, can cause moon phase, high blood pressure, also can increase the blood sugar level. So we go to the last presentation is effectiveness and drug abuse or misuse. So if we can conclude that more traditional medicines and modern medicines can both treat many of the same illness. Modern medicines have undergone various clinical before ready for usage. Modern medicine is safe to us. But unfortunately, traditional medicines does not have data to authenticate data effectiveness. So the traditional medicine is hard to find the correct dosage to us to use these traditional medicines. The wrong dosage can cause to the drug abuse. So I am recommend for us to get the modern medicine. It is because it is chemically processed and safe to us. That's all from me. Thank you.